My name is Buridi Sai Akhil Naidu. I'm a second year student of the Department of Mechanical Engineering, enrolled in its Bachelor of Technology course. I'm a boarder of Lala Lajpat Rai Hall of Residence. I'm from Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. I'm contesting for the post of General Secretary Social and Cultural, Technology Students Gymkhana, Indian Institute of Technology Kharagpur for the academic session 2026-2027.
Continue with the statement of purpose.
Abraham Lincoln once said that the better way of predicting the future is to create it now. This statement has stood me here tonight. I think the cultural landscape of Indian Institute of Technology Kharagpur is something which we participate, but not something which we collectively decide. The role of General Secretary Social and Cultural is crucial and vibrant as it involves the nourishing and formatting of the Social and Cultural Committee of Indian Institute of Technology Kharagpur. From my experiences as an associate member at Springfest 2025, I have been responsible mainly in two facets. They are publicity and media outreach and event management. I, along with one core organizing team member and two associate members, were responsible for getting 150 plus registrations in Hitchhike National Wide Prelims Visakhapatnam, and we were responsible for bringing 150 plus participation from the region, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. During my first time, I was given the first time responsibility that was Springfest Arena. I, along with two core organizing team members and two associate members, were responsible for the smooth execution of the events, namely Panache, Junkat, Face Canvas. In my first year, I was an associate at Students Alumni Cell, and my portfolio was videography. I, along with two associates, were responsible for the class song shoot of various halls of residence and societies of Indian Institute of Technology Kharagpur. In my second year, I was honored to be selected as a core organizing team member of Springfest 2026, and I worked under mainly three facets, namely sponsorship and marketing, publicity and media outreach, and event management. In sponsorship and marketing domain, I led a team of 7 core organizing team members in the sponsorship drive in the region of Bangalore, and we successfully secured an amount of rupees 6 lakhs plus in the region Bangalore. And in the publicity and media outreach domain, I, along with 2 core organizing team members and 3 associate members, were responsible for getting 180 plus registrations in the Hitchhike National Wide Prelims Visakhapatnam. And also, we were responsible for bringing the participants from the region Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, around 200 plus participants. In the events domain, I was responsible of the first time responsibility, that is Gymkhana plus Springfest Cafe. I, along with one core organizing team member and 2 associate members, were responsible for the smooth execution.
Just a second. I would really request the students over here to please maintain the decorum and do not speak continuously while the candidate is giving his statement of purpose. This is something that is bare minimum to be expected if you were a candidate.
In the publicity and media outreach domain, I, along with one core organizing team member and 3 associate members, were responsible of bringing 180 plus registrations in the Hitchhike national-wide prelims in Visakhapatnam, and also bringing 200 plus participants from the region of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. During the fest, I was given the first time responsibility of Gymkhana, the Springfest Cafe. I, along with one core organizing team member and 3 associate members, were responsible for the smooth execution of the dance and music genre events, namely Beat It, Rap Mania, Can You Do It, Lakeside Dreams, Shuffle, in which we saw a significant increase in the participation of the events. I, in my second year, was also a part of the sponsorship team of Students Telugu Cultural Association, in which I, along with my team, were responsible for onboarding the sponsors for the events like Ganesh Chaturthi, Food Fest, and Telugu Cultural Association. I believe that I'm capable enough in contributing to the institute by taking appropriate measures from my experiences as an associate member and core organizing team member of Springfest.
Akhil, you have mentioned in your SOP that you were leading the sponsorship drive in Bangalore region. But you were not leading, you were the only person who was working in that region. You were not able to get your teammates to help on your side.
Sir, I request you to please recheck your facts. The 7, including me, the 8 core organizing team members who are equally contributing in the alumni contribution in the region Bangalore.
Akhil, since you mentioned you are a boarder of Lala Lajpat Rai Hall of Residence, can you mention 5 things about Lala Lajpat Rai?
Yes, sir. 5 things about Sri Lala Lajpat Rai are as follows. Sri Lala Lajpat Rai was born on January 28, 1867. He was also referred as Punjab Keshri. He was a scholar and educationalist. In Simon Commission, the police attacked the freedom fighters and Sri Lala Lajpat Rai was injured and passed away on January 28, 1965.
Akhil, what is stacking and blocking in inter-IIT?
So, stacking and blocking are the point distributions for the individual and group events in inter-IIT cultural meet.
How this works? Okay, let me ask you a new question, okay? So as you mentioned that you have managed these things in Springfest, and also you have been a member of TCA and you have managed things. So I just want to say you that you are a good manager, not a good candidate for General Secretary Social and Cultural post. You are only a good manager. Okay, as you have mentioned some few things about the Springfest, I want to just ask you that during the Springfest 2026, several external participants publicly claimed that events were biased towards IIT Kharagpur teams, okay, and held the social and cultural committee responsible for that. So as a general secretary, as a social and cultural candidate, what are the concrete steps you would take to prevent such complaints in the future? Because if I ask you that what would you just respond to these allegations, you will say, sir, please don't put false allegation on me. So just give me concrete steps you will take to prevent such things.
Sir, I request you to please recheck your facts and do not put such baseless allegations on the Springfest team. Springfest team has never been biased to the Indian Institute of Technology Kharagpur and has always been genuine to the participants.
Hi. You did not answer to my question. I am just saying what concrete step would you follow to prevent these things? I can prove you with some videos.
Sir, as I've already mentioned, these are completely baseless allegations on the Springfest team, and I'm mentioning that Springfest is always genuine towards the results of the events which are conducted during Springfest.
Hi, I have.
Sai, your FTR was Gymkhana and Arena, SF Arena. So what was the reason why SF Shuffle Prelim was not conducted there? And all the participants are directly moved to semi-final round. So what was the reason and why it was done with them?
Ma'am, the prelims of Shuffle were cancelled due to the participants, and there was no need of conducting prelims for the event, and we discussed with the respective core organizing team head of that first time responsibility, and we collectively took a decision to conduct semi-finals rather than prelims.
I have gone through your all proposals. So my question is regarding proposal 3, the Scholar Artist Initiative, the promoting award eligibility for PGRS students. So this is how recalibrating award eligibility for PGRS students will impact undergraduate participation.
Sir, as there are many talented people in the postgraduate and research scholar students, I believe that due to the unawareness of the competitions held in the Indian Institute of Technology Kharagpur has decreased the participation. If we give a chance to the postgraduate and research scholar students to get the Gymkhana awards, so that it will be appreciation for them, and there might be a chance of increase in the participation of the postgraduate and research scholar students both in inter-IT cultural meet and inter-hall general championship social and cultural.
I just want your detailed vision about so-called of IIT Kharagpur. What is your detailed vision?
Sir, can you please be a bit louder?
What is your detailed vision about so-called of IIT Kharagpur? Detailed vision about so-called of IIT Kharagpur.
Sir, my vision to contest for the post of General Secretary Social and Cultural, Technology Students Gymkhana, Indian Institute of Technology Kharagpur is I want to make our standings better in inter-IT cultural meet, and also I want to inculcate the awareness among all the students of Indian Institute of Technology Kharagpur.
Akhil, you said that your FTR was SF Arena, right? So tell me 5 basic permissions which are required for carrying out events in the SF Arena.
Sir, there are total 6 permissions required for Springfest Arena, that are water work, civil work, venue permission, horticulture section.
Akhil, could you name the authorities needed to be consulted before conducting pro nights in Mahatma Gandhi ground?
Sir, can you please repeat your question?
Could you name the authorities needed to be consulted before conducting pro nights in Mahatma Gandhi ground?
Sir, the concerned General Secretary Social and Cultural shall take the permission of the chairperson along with the President of Technology Students Gymkhana and the Director of Technology Students Gymkhana to conduct the pro nights in Mahatma Gandhi ground.
Akhil, you can take your seat.
My proposals for contesting for the post of General Secretary Social and Cultural, Technology Students Gymkhana, Indian Institute of Technology Kharagpur for the academic session 2026-2027 are as follows. My first proposal is introduction of mixology competition in Open IIT. My proposal 2 is implementation of KGP Cult Hub portal. My proposal 3 is the Scholar Artist Initiative, promoting award eligibility for postgraduate and research scholar students. My 4th proposal is Unison, the Pan-India Cultural and Culinary Exchange.
Akhil, your first proposal is completely wrong. As mixology is already a part of Open IIT, it was not conducted this year. Mixology is already a part of Open IIT, then how is that a new proposal for you?
Sir, I request you to please recheck your facts. The mixology competition was not conducted in the Open IIT due to some problems of the judges. But if I am elected as the General Secretary, Social and Cultural, Technology Students Gymkhana, Indian Institute of Technology Kharagpur, for the academic session 2026-2027, I will introduce this mixology event and will ensure that this event has been conducted in my tenure as the General Secretary, Social and Cultural.
You are not listening to my question correctly. I am saying that it was not conducted, but it is already in the list of Open IIT that is going to happen. So how is that a new proposal?
Sir, as I have mentioned, this was not conducted during the academic session of 2025 and 2026. My proposal is to introduce it in the Open IITs in my tenure if I am elected as the General Secretary, Social and Cultural.
Hello. Okay, Akhil. As you know, for the introduction of a new event, like financial help is needed. So just tell me, explain the Gymkhana financial approval hierarchy for the different expenditure amounts. Also state the maximum amount up to which a society can make a direct purchase from its allotted budget, and what procedure must the particular society follow for higher amounts. And now, if a particular society just like I said, try to just split the bills below amounts, what measure will you take?
Sir, can you please clarity on your question?
Okay. So explain the Gymkhana financial approval hierarchy first, including dean and all the directors. Second, state the maximum amount up to which a society can make a direct purchase from its allotted budget. And what are the procedure must be followed for higher amounts?
Sir, if any purchase is less than rupees 25,000, it can be directly permitted by the Honorary Treasurer of Technology Students Gymkhana, Indian Institute of Technology Kharagpur. If the amount exceeds rupees 25,000 to 5 lakhs, then it shall be, and the decision shall be taken by the local purchase committee. More than 5 lakhs, then the purchase committee shall approve it.
So you didn't answer my first question. Okay, so you didn't ask answer my first question. Okay, so just answer my third question.
One question and one follow-up is allowed. How 3 questions came?
It is the follow-up only. It is the follow-up only.
Would you like to answer the question?
No, he has
Sir,
not.
I have already answered the question.
He has not.
He has answered the question. Next.
Akhil, my question is from the proposal 2. You have said you will implement a KGP cultural portal. So in what ways this centralized platform will ensure general championship and inter-IT selection process?
Sir, my main motto for the introduction of KGP Cult Hub is to introduce the event openings and the society selections which can be reached to the freshers who have joined the Indian Institute of Technology Kharagpur, and also we will update about the Inter-IT Cultural Meet and the Inter-Hall General Championship Social and Cultural in the website.
How are you going to update the real-time things which are happening on ground to the portal?
Sir, there will be 2 secretaries allotted for the updation of website along with the web secretaries of Technology Students Gymkhana, Indian Institute of Technology Kharagpur.
Sai, in your last proposal, since you planning to hold all the culture event during induction week, firstly tell me how many culture association presently in IIT KGP and name all of them.
Ma'am, there are total 13 cultural associations in Indian Institute of Technology Kharagpur.
I ask you to name all the culture association in IIT Kharagpur also.
Ma'am, if you want to know the names of the cultural association, please feel free to contact me after my statement of purpose.
My question is regarding the initiative, the Pan India Cultural and Career Exchange. The question is, given the scale of 2000 plus students, what operational strategies will you implement to manage crowd flow and flow logistics effectively?
Sir, 2000 plus students who will be attending the food stalls is not at a time. Overall, the first 2 days of the induction program, this will be done, and I will coordinate with the security section.
Sure, thank you. Follow-up question, how will you ensure equitable representation of all cultural associations in both performance or culinary segments?
Sir, my proposal is to give them a platform to the cultural associations such that they can show their tradition and arts, such that the students who attend the induction program might know about it, and the food stall integration is because the students also might know about the different cultures in India.
Appreciable, thank you.
Akhil, you have mentioned in your proposal to create a centralized platform for social and culture. But there is already an existing platform, Societal Cultural Affairs Council, which are chaired by UG Rep and PRC. Don't you think your proposal is just a modification of that?
Sir, I request you to please read my proposals carefully. I have mentioned that I will include the details of Inter-IT Cultural Meet, Open IITs, and Inter-Hall General Championship Social and Cultural, about the events, standings, and the submission of participation list and short podcast of the previous cup winners, so that the freshers who are interested to take part in the social and cultural activities will know about it.
Akhil, please listen it carefully. The Societal Affairs Council already exists this feature. You are just adding one Open IIT, GC and Inter-IT selection. That's it. That feature requires only 1 day time to execute that. Don't you think it is not worthy of proposal?
Sir, as I have mentioned, we will be giving the regular updates on Open IIT events, society selections, Inter-IT Cultural Meet, and about the Inter-Hall General Championship Social and Cultural.
Akhil, it is already happening on that platform. Please visit that platform.
Panelists,
Sir,
no comments.
as I have
no
mentioned
comments.
that there shall be a separate cultural portal in which we can give the updates of the social and cultural committee.
Akhil, my question is regarding your proposal 3. So since this proposal involves modifying the existing award guidelines, which challenges do you think you will face while gain the approval from the relevant stakeholders? Mention the stakeholders also, and how would you address them?
Sir, in my groundwork, I have clearly mentioned that I'll discuss with the President of Technology Students Gymkhana along with the consultation of the Executive Council of Technology Students Gymkhana, Indian Institute of Technology Kharagpur regarding the eligibility criteria for the postgraduate and research scholar students to achieve the awards and prizes of Technology Students Gymkhana.
But what will be the step if they reject your proposal?
Sir, can you please repeat your question?
What steps you will take if they reject your proposal?
Sir, in my groundwork, I have discussed with the respective stakeholders and I am confident enough that my proposal will be implemented if I am elected as the General Secretary Social and Cultural Technology Students Gymkhana, Indian Institute of Technology Kharagpur for the academic session 2026-2027.
Akhil, you can get back to your place. Nitesh.